St. Louis First Forecast.
Good evening, St. Louis. This is Chief Forecast Matt Wood here for your St. Louis video first forecast for the video forecast of January 29th, 2014, which is Hump Day, I guess, today. We had sort of a moderating temperature trend. Very nice temperature warm up for today. Highs in the middle 30s right now, and across the area, the bi-state area, we're still in the middle 30s right now for the current temps. Current temps right now, 34 in St. Louis, 33 down in Arlo, 32 in Collinsville, 33 in Belleville, and reading at 31 down in Waterloo. So as we get through the night tonight, we're going to actually stay pretty steady-wise as we go tonight. As that kind of warm air pushes in, Thursday's looking pretty nice. Highs almost near 50 before our next shot of cold air returns. Right now, it's forecast for you guys. Right now the northwest wind's approaching at 5 to 10 miles per hour. That's keeping our air kind of cold, but at the same time, we're going to have that southeast wind push back up tomorrow. 34 is the current degrees it's not too bad, not too good. It's kind of in the middle there for St. Louis, and I think that's the best part right now. It's just, normal winter temperatures. 32% for the humidity, 39.59 is the barometric pressure, and it is steady. Alright, so now as we look at the radar for right now, now this is basically a radar. This radar shows nothing in any way of precipitation for St. Louis, and that's going to be the main key as we head through the night and into the days on Thursday. But a big change is coming in our atmosphere in our upper mid-level trough. Now basically, kind of picture this. We were in a clipper flow, now we're in a southwestern flow again, as we kind of basically, the storm that we got on January 5th that brought 12 inches of snow, plus in some areas that was forecasted, that was a southwestern flow. We're back into that. We're watching the chances of 2 snow shots, so this is the current radar, and we're going to get to that in just a second. So the weather headlines right now include this. 40s for Thursday with a cold front coming Thursday night. After we get to about 47 on Thursday, we're going to drop down to about 40, 44, 45 on Thursday, then we're going to drop into the 30s through the night on Thursday night. A few stray flurries are definitely possible with this. And then here comes that mix on Friday. A rain, sleet, snow mix, all possible Friday. Due to such the levels of the atmosphere, we have no idea what's going to fall. Honest to God, we can expect every precipitation type between rain, snow, sleet. That's going to fall between Friday night and Saturday afternoon. It'll end by around Saturday mid-morning, but that's what we're watching right now. Then comes the next system that we're watching out for. On Tuesday, we have another possible, and I say possible, major winter storm on Tuesday. So far, it looks like mainly snow, but the track can change, and we just don't want to do any definite numbers as of now. But we'll definitely let you know as we go through your work week. And you'll be just kind of catching up to us on St. Louis First Forecast. Alright, so here comes that next wintry mess. We're going to flash our time to Saturday. Now watch what happens on Saturday as we get to this next wintry mess. Here comes those precip types, and as that low pressure kind of flows through, this bulk of precip kind of moves in as that low pressure scoots in towards St. Louis. Now, the reason for this, we have this giant bulks of moisture right here. Now, it's not going to be a straight big storm. It's not a big storm by any means, but we have this giant bulk of moisture here. Here's what we're thinking right now. For the St. Louis metro area and points just to the west, in this little dome right here, and this little pink stretch right here, we're going to see that ice symbol. Now this ice means we have a mix of freezing rain, sleet, and snow all possible as we go through the day on Saturday morning. So we're going to basically fluctuate between precip types. We're going to go from freezing rain to sleet to snow. Places south of Jefferson County, Missouri, you're going to see this kind of strip of just plain rain, so you have no worries about that off and on through Saturday. Now as we head up to the north right here, we haven't forgotten about you north. This is our snow section. So places like Quincy, Illinois, all the way to Springfield, and let's say we got to Baldwin. The areas like that, that's going to be the snow section. Places like that can receive up to 3 to 5 inches of snow this weekend, so we're going to keep an eye on that. Now here comes our tonight's forecast. Tonight's forecast, southwest winds approaching at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Low tonight of about 25, not as bad as we get to the night on Wednesday, and also for the fact mostly clear skies and not as cold. Tomorrow's forecast, very, very nice outside. Enjoy any outdoor plans you have because this is the last day of this before we get another shot of cold air. Not negative temperatures, not negative wind chills, but it's going to feel like something. 47 will do for the high tomorrow with under partly cloudy skies. AM sunny, PM, pretty warm. And then here comes that cold front sliding in on Thursday night. Our 7-day forecast. In our next few days, we're going to go to Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. First of all, Thursday's looking pretty good. The peak day will be high of 48. Friday, here comes that next system. PM mix I put down there. So PM mix for Friday, high of 38. Saturday's high is 33 with an AM mix before it scoots on out here by about 2 o'clock on Saturday. So that's going to be the main key on those next 3 days. So watch out for that Friday, Saturday storm system. It's not a giant storm. I mean, it's not the best one we're focusing on right now. But then that's basically your focus right now. Then as we go to our actual 7-day plan, we're going to go to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday for you guys. Monday and Sunday look very nice, very sunny. 28, but kind of cold. Monday gets up to 35. Then that next storm system comes into play on Tuesday and Wednesday. This storm system right here, highs 28 and 26 currently for the highs. That could be our next shot of a major winter storm in St. Louis. Just like we had on January 5th this year that brought 12 inches plus. Not putting any numbers on it, don't freak out yet. We will let you know though as we get through more tracks and more model trends. Thank you for joining us on St. Louis First Forecast with Matt Witt.